This video, we are going to learn how to solve this JAMB economics problem, so that distinction between change in quantity demanded and change in demand. That we have about 8 to 9 repeated questions to participate in the video. Let's get started. The first question here says, a fall in the price of ostentatious goods we have decreased demand, increase the quantity demanded, decrease the quantity demanded. So guys, the right answer is that a fall in the price of ostentatious goods will increase the quantity demanded. Okay, option C. That's for this question. This question, this one, it says a rise in income with citrus variable bring about no shift on the demand curve, a leftward shift of the demand curve. We have a movement along the demand curve, a rightward shift of the demand curve. Right answer is option D, bring about a rightward shift of the demand curve. Okay, next question, this one, it says an increase in the price of a commodity result in, we have an increase in demand, an increase in quantity demanded, a decrease in quantity demanded, a decrease in demand. So right answer is option B, bring about an increase in quantity demanded. Okay, next question is, from the diagram above, a shift in the demand curve from D0 to D1 implies we have a rise in the demand for the commodity, a fluctuation in the demand for the commodity, a fall in the demand for the commodity, and equilibrium in the demand for the commodity. So the right answer is option A. It implies there is a rise in the demand for the commodity. Very important. Next question is one. It says a change in demand for a normal good means the demand changes as price changes. It changes in the price elasticity. A movement along a given demand curve, a shift in the demand curve. Right answer is option D, shift in the demand curve. That's what it means. The next question is one, says a change in demand for a normal good implies that there is a shift in the demand curve, a change in the quantity demanded as price change in the price elasticity of demand, movement along a given demand curve. I think this is similar to the question you just finished attempting. Okay, change in demand for normal good means, okay, change in demand for normal good. Okay, it's the same thing. Yeah, the right answer is option A, a shift in the demand curve. Last question for end this video, this one, it says if the quantity of rice bought decreased from 250 tons to 200 tons owing to 2% rise in price, it shows that there's a change in consumers' income, demand, quantity demanded, consumers' taste. So guys, the right answer to this question is that it shows that there is a change in quantity demanded. Okay, option C. So guys, this basically can do problems involving distinction between change in demand and change in quantity demanded for your JAMB economics practice with 8 to 9 repeated questions for this subtopic. Hope you learned something interesting in the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new, hope you learned something interesting for the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. So like, share, and comment on this video. Now, if you forgot to learn from the video, if you have any specific questions to ask regarding what I talked about in the video, feel free to leave a question in the comment section below, and I shall give you a response. Also, ensure the part of the membership by clicking the join button and be getting information that help you to excel in exams like your JAMB and other exams you're writing. Having learned this, click the next button and we'll see you in this video. Thanks for watching.